Are you overwhelmed by complex research tasks? Meet Google's new Deep Research tool in NotebookLM, designed to simplify research and make your life easier. This innovative tool automates your online research, acting like a dedicated researcher. You can input your question, and it will create a research plan. Then, it browses websites on your behalf and synthesizes a detailed report in minutes. You can view and add sourced information directly into your notebook while you continue your work. To access deep research, start a search in the source panel and select Web. Choose your research style: deep research for a thorough analysis, or fast research for quick answers. Moreover, NotebookLM now supports various file types. You can upload Google Sheets, Drive files, PDFs, and Microsoft Word documents. This feature lets you generate summaries from spreadsheets and copy-paste multiple links efficiently. These updates will be rolled out to all users within a week, enhancing how you collect and manage knowledge. In summary, Google's NotebookLM with Deep Research optimizes your research workflow, making it faster and more effective. Don't wait. Embrace this tech advancement. Streamline your research and elevate your productivity today. Check out NotebookLM and start transforming your research experience.